Hello YouTube, in this tutorial we'll learn how to transfer any of those strings in a specific column, of course, into either uppercases or lowercases with new functions, UCASE and lowercase. It depends what you need. So let's play around with this column. Okay, so select is already well-known command, and UCASE, let's transfer everything to uppercase. The target will be in this product. Okay, as the name of column in the report will be, I don't know, products, something like that, who cares. Location from stores, and I think that's it. And there you go. Now if for some reason you need this kind of report, it is it is doable, but honestly I never run into a situation where I definitely need to use any of those commands explicitly. If you have that kind of example in a practice, please write that down in the comment section below, because I really want to know. Well, yeah, so let's go with uppercase. So we'll just change one letter here, and that's pretty much it. Okay, and now everything will be pushed to lowercases. And as I said, I really don't know specific reason to do this, but if we need it, we can use it. Now, of course, we can extract only specific rows by some criteria, as was example in a couple of last tutorials, using, for example, where. But before that, let's grab everything. Select all from stores, and now select UCASE, for example, from store names, store name actually, as stores report, something like that, I don't know, from stores, right, where, for example, store name equals London, or even better, let's use it, store name like something in a strings, and what we have in London, ND. Okay, and now all stores from London will be uppercases. There you go. Okay, so there is no purpose, in practicing this any further, because it's very simple. As I said, please write in the comment section below if you have any practical reason to this into your practice. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna shut up as always. Thank you for watching, and see you next tutorial.